Hello, welcome back. Welcome if you are new. In today's video, I cannot wait to share with you a DIY flower wall. So I created this for my daughter's birthday. These are super great for bridal, birthday, just whatever you want to make a fancy little home decor piece. It costs you about 20 bucks. You're going to need a piece of foam board, some hot glue, some foam roses, and just a teeny tiny bit of patience. So without further ado, let's jump into how I created this DIY flower wall. But you're just going to take your foam board and you're going to hot glue on the bottom of the rose, and I'm just going to start at the edge. And I'm going to kind of tilt this first one out just a little bit, and you're just going to hot glue again. And you're going to put that really close up to the other one that you just hot glued onto there. So this is actually hopefully really simple. We'll see how it comes out. Again, I think the biggest thing is just having a huge amount of roses and also a large amount of hot glue.
So I'm just going to continue to glue the roses on kind of in rows. You want to space the roses somewhat evenly. I just kind of eyeballed these and get them close enough together to where you don't see big gaps in the foam board, but you can also fill those in a little bit later. So once you get to the edges of the foam board, you can kind of see where you need to fill in. So just take some of those excess roses and glue around the edges of the foam board. Now I did leave the bottom of my foam board flat because I think my daughter is probably going to want to set it on her dresser, and so I just did the top part. But depending upon where you want to put it, you can glue all the way around the edge with the roses, or you could also put a frame around it depending on how you all want to finish it off. And then also you can see I'm kind of pulling apart some of the foam roses to fill in a little bit of the blank spaces. And then I do plan to hang this in my daughter's room if she wants it hung, or set it on her dresser. Also, if you all are planning to hang your DIY flower wall, I think command strips or double-sided sticky tape would work really well for it, since it is so lightweight with the foam flowers and the foam board. And look at how beautiful this came out. I surprised my daughter with this project last night. I put a big giant bow on it with her birthday presents and she was in love with it. She could not stop looking at it, and guess what? She took pictures with it and of it. So she is loving it. It was perfect and it matches her room perfectly. I wanted to share with you all how this would look if you were using it as a baby shower. And happy birthday to my angel Alyssa. I love you so much, darling, and I am so excited for your birthday. Love, Mom.
So thank you all so much for joining me. I hope you had fun learning how to create a DIY flower wall. I think these are a great inexpensive way to really doll up and glam up a space, and especially if you need a really cute little backdrop. If you guys are new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my YouTube family. And thank you all so much for all of your comments, your love and support. It truly, really and truly means the world to me. You all make my heart sparkle and shine, and I'm so thankful. Anyway, we will talk to the next video. Bye-bye.